Logging forests. Forests can be called the lungs of Earth. Forests regulate climate by recycling water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. They act as giant sponges, slowing runoff and holding groundwater. Root systems also hold the soil, preventing erosion and reducing the sediment that washes into streams. Old-growth forests have been around for hundreds of years. Fallen trees slowly decompose, providing a constant source of nutrients for the soil. Forestry practices. There are two ways that forests are harvested: clear cutting and selective cutting. These are explained in Figure 2. Evaluating a clear cut. Logging companies prefer to clear cut. This process is safer for workers in the forest. Clear cutting is also less expensive than selective cutting, which means the company can provide timber or pulp at a more competitive price. The company can choose which trees to replant, the trees that will obtain the best price when the area is logged again. Some wildlife benefits from clear cuts because berries and other low-lying vegetation thrive in open areas. However, there are ecological costs to clear cutting. After a clear cut, soil erosion and runoff into local streams increase. Nitrates and other nutrients flow into water, increasing algal growth. Eroded soil clogs streams, affecting spawning areas of fish. The removal of vegetation on the ground exposes dark soil and increases the warming of the area. In turn, this increases water loss from the soil. As well, removal of vegetation destroys nesting sites and breaks food webs. If cut trees are replaced with seedlings of one or two species, monoculture, the result is closer to a farm than a natural ecosystem. When the new forest grows, some, but not all, of the forest animals will return. Figure 3 shows how a replanted forest might be managed after a clear cut. 2 or 3 years after a clear cut, herbicides are used to prevent hardwood trees from crowding out the more valuable softwood trees. B. At about 10 years, the underbrush is removed. C. At about 35 years, the trees are checked for diseases and pests, such as the spruce budworm. Monocultures are more susceptible to disease than natural forests. Softwoods, such as spruce and fir, are used for pulp and paper and are often considered more valuable than hardwoods, which grow more slowly.